Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Today's video is going to be a Christmas clean and decorate with me. This is my first Christmas video of the season and I'm so excited about this, you guys. If you guys follow me over on Instagram or you have been watching my previous videos, then you know I have been talking about this for a while. So excited. So make sure you guys stay until the end so you see my end results. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Fantasia and I post motivational videos like this weekly. So if you like videos like this, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen and the living room. Also going to be doing a little bit of laundry. In the kitchen I have to organize a few drawers, but I have so much to get done in this video. I'm really excited about everything that I show you guys. My husband and I thought it was the perfect night to put the Christmas tree up because Jaden was with a friend and he didn't know we were going to put the Christmas tree up. We wanted to surprise him this year and it really worked out because when he got home, so worth it. He was so excited to see the Christmas tree. We also got Christmas trees and a little bit of decor for the kids' room, so I will be doing Christmas decor videos on their rooms as well. I can't wait to film those. Now that I have the Christmas tree done, I can finally focus on the decor that I want around the house. So I'm so excited to do that this year, first year doing any type of Christmas decorating videos. And it is so much fun filming these videos for you guys, and I have so much more planned, so make sure you are subscribed. Everything that I have today is mainly from Hobby Lobby or Target. Next Christmas video where I go through and decorate the house, I will show you guys everything. And I'm also thinking about doing this house tour. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see that type of video as well.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out.
You guys, I have things from Target, Hobby Lobby, which at Hobby Lobby I got really great deals on for Christmas. So if you guys really need somewhere to shop that's cheap, I would most definitely recommend Hobby Lobby. They had lots of great things. So did Target. Kitchen was just getting out of hand. Whenever I started to clean, I started to notice that there was a lot of things disorganized and all over the place. I needed to get that together, especially before I added the Christmas decor. I feel like this whole entire month I've been trying to clean and declutter our home, but every time I turn around there is something else that needs to be done. And honestly, I'm just ready to sit down, watch the Polar Express, drink hot chocolate, and look at all the Christmas decor. Instead of loading the dishwasher like I usually would, I couldn't because it was so dirty and disgusting. I did not want to put dishes in there to get cleaned. So I went ahead and cleaned the dishwasher and then hand washed all the dishes.
More times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
The bamboo drying rack that I am using, I got from Target. I purchased this a few weeks back and I absolutely love it. The rugs that are in the kitchen are also from Target. Sign that we have above our kitchen table, Hobby Lobby. I will try to have as many things listed in my description box throughout the holidays. I know you guys have been asking me where I get these things and that you guys like them, so I think that they would make great Christmas gifts if you guys are interested. If you guys are returning subscribers, then you already know London is always popping in here and there to help out whenever I'm cleaning. I love whenever London helps and she does things throughout my cleaning videos. It makes the process much easier.
How long do I gotta keep you?
You guys, I don't know what happened, but the water faucet came off and I got really lucky because it was really hard to put back on. And by the time I got it put back on, London was already in the cabinets, sticking her hands in the pancake mix, trying to eat it. I got really lucky with how fast I got it on because she would have gotten that everywhere. So to keep her distracted and out of the food in the cabinets, I went ahead and gave her some pears and sat her down to watch The Lion King. You guys, I do think I have everything that I need to create my hot chocolate and s'more station. I have been wanting to do this station since last Christmas when I first started my YouTube channel. So doing that this year, I'm going to be so excited, you guys. I won't lie, I am going all out because my kids love doing things like this. So I cannot wait to show you guys that too. The last thing I needed to do before we had dinner and then moved on to decorating the Christmas tree was clean the floors. I didn't have to do a deep clean because I have seriously been cleaning these floors every single day, trying to get ready for this Christmas clean and decorate with me. Once my husband got off work, we just went ahead, sat down and had dinner. And was not with us tonight. He was with his friend. I had originally planned to do s'mores, hot chocolate, and then put up the Christmas tree. Since Jaden wasn't here, we didn't do the s'mores and the hot chocolate. I put up the Christmas tree so we could surprise him when he got home. Not only did we surprise him with the Christmas tree in the living room, we surprised him with the Christmas tree in his room, and he went ahead and put lights on that tree as well. You guys, the tree that London have in her hand is the tree that we got her for her room. But honestly, since we've given it to her, she has not put the tree down. I don't even know how we're going to take this away from her when Christmas is over with. I think it's going to have to become like a regular thing in her room because she's been so excited to have this tree. The tree has even gone into the bathtub with her, you guys. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have gotten your kids trees and if they were this excited. I think it's really cute for them to be really excited about holiday things like this. The Christmas tree that we have, we got last year on Black Friday from Walmart, and we absolutely love it. We only spent $79 on the tree. I think the original price of the tree was $169, so we got it for a really great price. For it to be an artificial tree, I honestly think it's really good. It's full, and it's exactly how I like it. The ornaments that I'm using, I got from Target. I did purchase 2 just in case we needed extra. I honestly thought these were going to be enough to decorate the whole entire tree, you guys, but it wasn't. So I only decorated the front of the tree. Since no one is going to be seeing the back of the tree, I don't know if I'm going to decorate the back, but for now, I absolutely love the tree. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and how did you guys decorate your Christmas tree? What theme did you go with? Now, you guys, I did add this snow paint to the tree. Honestly, I don't even know why I did it inside the house. I just wanted to see how it looked. And whenever I started, I just went ahead and sprayed what I thought was the whole tree. I do need to add more, but for now, it's really cute. It did turn out way better than I expected. I think I'm going to keep it like this. Let me know what you guys think about this little ad too. I thought it was a nice touch to add the snow paint to kind of make the tree look a little different. Now for the finishing touch, the tree topper. We went ahead and got a star tree topper. I absolutely love this. My favorite out of all of the tree topper. It does light up whenever you turn it on. We just haven't plugged it in yet. I can't wait for you guys to see that. It'll probably be in the next video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing more Christmas decorate with me videos. Let me know what you guys think of the Christmas tree down in the comments. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you guys are new to my channel, I hope that you enjoyed this video just enough to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any more future uploads. And as always, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.